Everyone, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my blog. It's me again. Let's be my blog is uh, cha coffee collagen is here. Cha coffee collagen is here with collagen uh, glutathione is 11 in 1 shape coffee mix. Cha is powered by Japanese technology. So is here is perfect and give you energy. So this is coffee. Try this coffee, Jack coffee. It's perfect for your shape. 11 shape coffee mix is 20x collagen cha coffee is here. So perfect for your shape is let's go everyone and drink. It's Bitgum. Here, Petcom coffee it's arrived, so let's enjoy and God bless everyone. God uh please like and share and subscribe and make a shout out to all the viewers subscribers. Hello to you all and good morning wherever you are in the whole world. Thank you very much for watching. See you again soon for the next vlog and let's try enjoy in the rest of your day and happy Saturday to you all. Happy Saturday. God bless everyone and this there's a lot of benefit for your body. So try and drink. Nutrition is fit gum coffee is 11 and 1 shape coffee mix is right here. So let's enjoy and God bless. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. Please like and share, subscribe. It's me again, it's been a vlog. It's coffee for your lifetime. Coffee is good benefit for yourself, for your body. And 20x collagen cha coffee is 11 shape coffee mix collagen and glutathione, collagen and glutathione, powered by Japanese technology right here. So it's a good benefit for you. Let's try and drink, enjoy, and enjoy the rest of your days. See you again soon, everyone. It's Megan Espinay Vlog. Yes. Good morning, good morning. Happy Saturday to you all. Wherever you are in the whole world, stay safe as always. It's Megan. It's been a vlog. And thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe. It's mega like shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. It's Megan. It's been a vlog. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't like, share, and subscribe. Please don't forget to pull the notification bell, hit all for more updated for the next vlog. Like and share, subscribe everyone. Thank you and God bless you all.